Barcelona is buzzing right now, and if you've been waiting for Oppo to make a serious global statement in 2026, this is it. At MWC 2026, right in the heart of Spain's biggest tech stage, Oppo didn't just tease a phone, they confirmed that the Oppo Find X9 Ultra is going global this year. That wasn't even the biggest shocker on the show floor, because standing right next to that announcement was something even more intriguing: the Oppo Find N6. And from the moment it was revealed in real life at MWC, people started whispering one thing over and over again: where is the crease? According to Android Authority's hands-on report, the foldable crease on the Find N6 is almost completely invisible. Not reduced, not minimized, almost gone. And if you followed foldables over the past few years, you know that's the holy grail. That subtle dip in the middle of the display has been the one reminder that you're holding futuristic tech. Oppo seems ready to erase that reminder. And it gets better. The Find N6 isn't just about aesthetics. It's reportedly thin, light, refined. Android Authority didn't publish the exact measurements, but early impressions suggest this could be one of the most polished foldable form factors we've seen yet. Now let's talk display, because this is where things get serious. Inside, you're looking at a massive 8.12-inch foldable screen. That's tablet territory, that's productivity machine, that's immersive gaming canvas. And when you close it, you still get a full 6.62-inch outer display. No awkward narrow panel, no compromise, just a proper flagship-sized front screen. Camera setup? This is where it starts sounding like an Ultra device hiding in foldable form. On the outside, there's a 20-megapixel selfie camera embedded into the cover screen. Open it up, and there's another 20-megapixel camera inside. That means no matter how you use it, folded or unfolded, you're covered. But the rear setup is the real headline: a 200-megapixel main sensor, backed by two 50-megapixel sensors, and it's all Hasselblad-tuned. That partnership isn't just branding. Oppo has been refining its color science and image processing aggressively, and pairing that with this kind of hardware could make the Find N6 one of the most powerful foldable cameras ever. And then there's the 2-megapixel multispectral lens, a niche addition, but one that could enhance color accuracy and advanced imaging scenarios. Oppo clearly wants this foldable to compete with slab-style Ultra flagships, not just other foldables. The Find N6 runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, specifically a 7-core configuration. That alone suggests performance tuning and efficiency balancing tailored for a foldable form factor. Powering all of that? A massive 6,000 mAh silicon carbon battery. That's not just big for a foldable, that's big for any flagship. Silicon carbon tech allows higher energy density without dramatically increasing size, which explains how Oppo keeps it thin while packing serious endurance. Charging speeds are equally aggressive: 80-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging. That means even if you drain that 6,000 mAh battery, you won't be tethered to a wall for long. Memory and storage? The top-end variant is expected to offer 16 gigabytes of RAM and a massive 1 terabyte of storage. A teaser from Oppo's Chinese division confirms 3 shades: orange, white, and titanium. The Find N6 is rumored to launch in China on March 17th, with select global markets following soon after. And considering Oppo just confirmed the global release of the Find X9 Ultra during the same MWC event, it's clear 2026 is their international push year. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.